Welcome everybody to obviously our Azure IT webinar, Getting Started with Jet Global. My name is Jordan Park and I'm Head of Marketing at Azure IT. This is just a little bit of an outline of the Jet Global stack of products, what they can do for your businesses, and some of the great offers that we've got on with regards to Jet at the moment. All right, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay. So obviously, the stack of Jet products is Jet Reports, Jet Analytics, and Jet Budgets. Obviously, these were all designed to fulfill very specific needs within the Microsoft Dynamics ecosystem of products, namely Microsoft Dynamics Nav, Great Plains, and 365 Business Central. Great Plains is still quite popular in the US, and obviously that's why support for that by Jet Global, which is owned by Insight Software, is still listed. Okay, moving on. We'll start off with Jet Reports. So Jet Reports allows you to get all the financial and operational reports you need from Dynamics Nav, Great Plains, or Business Central, essentially in formats that work for you. It helps you eliminate errors, access and pull your data directly into Excel, and allows you to play around with that data in a lot of different ways, which right out of the box, Business Central or Dynamics Nav won't allow you to do. It allows you to cut time in reporting and costs. You don't really need any sort of hard coding or programming within Excel in order to build these reports up. And you can drill down and access these numbers from anywhere on any device. Literally, once you've obviously taken the decision to go ahead with getting started with Jet, what happens is literally it's installable very quickly into Microsoft Dynamics and Business Central, and it's ready to use almost instantly with very little configuration from our end. Obviously, there is a caveat that you take that with a pinch of salt, because it all depends on how you've got your particular system configured. But for the most part, it runs right out of the box and needs very little configuration from us. Okay. I've just prepared a quick video for you on Jet here, Jet Reports, which we're just going to watch, and then I'll continue from there. Great stuff. Okay, so that's just a little bit of a quick explainer on what Jet Reports does. Obviously, what we always try and say to our customers is that the importance of reporting within a business really does make the difference between a business performing well and a business performing really well. Having access to the data you need when you need it and where you need it really can mean the difference between your business being able to kind of make those critical decisions, which will allow you to obviously grow and succeed. Okay, moving on. Oh, and we're gonna just move on. I'm just having a bit of a technical issue here onto Jet Analytics. All right, so now Obviously, with Jet Analytics, it's slightly different function from Jet Reports. Basically, what it does is it allows you to bring all your data together into one place, and then it also integrates into both Excel and Power BI, depending on what you prefer to use. Obviously, it's designed for users and really removes any sort of need for understanding the underlying data structure to really design reports, dashboards in both Power BI and Excel. Obviously, when it comes down to complex reporting, especially within manufacturing businesses, within distribution businesses, where you'll have quite complex tables, possibly fairly complex reporting structures with a lot of different areas in which you want to report on. What that does is it allows basically the end user to really just drag and drop what data you want to compare against each other into their really easy to use and really easy to understand platform. Okay. It's obviously your data is governed by the Microsoft Dynamics ERP that you're using, whether that be Microsoft Nav, GP, 365 Business Central, and what Jet Analytics also is capable of supporting is obviously the big 365 for finance and operations, which I know none of you guys attending this webinar will actually be using, but that's obviously how comprehensive the solution is, as it works all the way from kind of the entry level Microsoft solutions all the way through to the higher end solutions. Obviously, the installation again is really quick, not quite as quick as Jet Reports. Obviously, it can take a couple of hours to get this working and installed into your specific solution, depending on what type of customizations and development work we've done to your specific system. So just bear that in mind, that obviously there will be some configuration required in terms of Jet Analytics. It's not quite as plug and play as Jet Reports. What's also more is, depending on whether you want to be using that in conjunction with Excel or Power BI, that will also require different configuration for your system. Okay, and then we've just got another video which I've prepared for you on Jet Analytics, so we'll just quickly watch that and then we'll move on. So obviously, what you guys got to see in that video was a little bit of Jet Analytics, in action, really obviously offering, kind of that drag and drop functionality. And really, we can't stress this enough, how useful that, our customers have found using Jet Analytics, especially when you want to look at year-to-date costs versus year-to-date revenue, or whatever that may be. It's literally as simple as pulling over the metric you want to measure by, and then pulling over the metric that you want to compare that to, and literally you drag them and drop them into whatever table you select, whether you want that in a bar graph, a pie chart, a pivot table, whatever that may be. You really can it's literally as simply as drag and dropping it, and allowing you to kind of see and compare the data the way that you want to compare it. Okay, and we'll move on now to Jet budgets. So obviously with Jet budgets, you know, what it aims to do is obviously control and accelerate and simplify the fiscal planning process, and obviously save time by building by easy to build and accurate budgeting. Literally, what we've heard from our customers is it helps cut the budget timeline in half. Obviously, you can schedule automated workflows that are easy to set up and built to integrate with Dynamics instantly. Control the budgeting process, so obviously get more accurate numbers the first time round, obviously through managed and governed spreadsheets. Immediate value, so it's intuitive, Excel integrated solution. Again, what you'll find with Jet is that all of their products stack, it integrates very, very seamlessly into Excel, which obviously our Business Central customers will be very familiar with, which obviously just helps the workflow really speed up in the way in which you do things. Obviously, like I said, yeah, increased productivity, it's fast, it's accurate, and obviously, you know, by sheer nature of that fact, you know, your employees are able to do more in less time. All right. And then, yeah, obviously, this is compatible again with Microsoft Dynamics NAV, GP, and 365 Business Central. I've just got a video for you on Jet budgets, which we prepared, and we'll go from there. Sorry about that. We're just having some technical issue. Fantastic. All right, so that was basically Jet budgets in a nutshell. Again, very, very simple to use. You know, we get a lot of feedback from our customers who do obviously use the solution, that they find Jet budgets an incredible resource for their company in terms of obviously allowing them to, you know, obviously build projections, budget for current projects or activities that are going on currently in the business, and really what we've seen is a definite huge increase in productivity from our customers once they've adopted the system. Okay, let's just move that on. All right. So I just obviously want to talk about some of the current offers that are on with Jet. And these offers are valid now till the 18th of December, which is obviously the purpose of this webinar. We really just want to make as many of our customers who are thinking about, you know, any of the Jet stack of products aware that if you get in touch with your account manager between now and the 18th of December, there are obviously huge benefits to be made. So obviously, you know, there's 20% off currently of Jet Reports and Jet Analytics. And then on top of that, for any additional users that you add on to that, there's 50% of all users, making this a very, very, very lucrative offer at the moment. And it'll say, obviously, picking up Jet Reports or Jet Analytics between now and the 18th of December will really save you a lot of money.